Hi, okay, today we're going to demonstrate a new product out from Verizon Wireless. It's called Group Communication. And this is basically a product that allows you to create a group for the people that you talk to in your life. Let's say it's your family, or maybe it's a sales team, or soccer buddies, or anything, any kind of group that you communicate with. And you create a number for that group that when you call that number, it'll ring everybody's phone and put everybody in a conference call. You can also send a text message or a voice message to that number and it'll go out to the group. So anyway, let's take a quick look at it. Okay, this is my Verizon page, and all subscribers to Verizon Wireless get a page where they can actually see their account and look at their usage and that kind of thing. I'm going up here to My Services, and the second bullet here is called Group Communication. So I'm going to click on that and open up the my Group Communication page. And what we've got here, these are the groups that I've already built for myself that I use. There's also groups called Quick Contact Groups, which I'll tell you about those in a second. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and add a new group. When I add a new group, it gives me this blank template. And the blank template allows me to go in and basically put the name of my group, and we'll call this, let's say it's a sales team. And then I'm going to put the numbers of the sales team in there. First one is Tim, and we'll call that Tim. That's his phone. And the second one is Bob, and Bob is, all right, we'll put Bob's number in. And then I'm going to save this group. Now, I could have put up to 20 people in the group, but just for the sake of this demo, I'm going to just put these two. I can also put anybody in and disable them, so if I don't want them to get called on a certain call, they won't. I can also add an international line, which will, when I click this, it'll put a 011 in front of the number, and then I can also pull people directly from my friends and family. Anyway, we're going to do a simple group for the sake of this demo. I'm going to save that. Now, what's going to happen is I'm going to get a text message from Verizon with this new number of this group. And as we can see, here's all the groups I've already got. And here's the sales team, so I'm going to open that up. You can see that's been created, and it's giving me this new number. I also got a text with that new number, if you can see it. It says group sales team created, and it gives me the number. Gives me the number right there. I can save that to my contact list as sales team. And then the phones that were the sales team also got a text. And there says that my number has created a group sales team with you and other members, and it lists all the other members in the group. So let's see what happens when I call that number. We'll go ahead and just call it real quick. Put it on speaker so you can hear it.
Verizon Wireless Group Communication. Press 2 to send a voice message to all group members. Press 4 to call all group members. Please hang up to end the call.
Press 2 to send a voice message, 4 to call all members. So I press 4, and what's going to happen is it's going to basically call those other two phones. So there's an AT&T iPhone, and then there's also this other Verizon phone.
Group members join the call.
And you just joined the call. And you can see that now we're on basically a conference call. So that's essentially how it works. I'm going to shut it off so I don't get that feedback loop. But that's essentially how the service works. It's really interesting, and it's very, very usable and easy to use, as you can see. I was saying earlier there's another kind of group called a Quick Contact Group. And what this is, and I'll just show you my quick contacts that I set up. This is the same kind of thing. It's a group, but this group allows you to create one number for one contact that calls all of their phones when you dial that number. So for example, I've got this guy named Santiago. He travels, so he's all over Latin America. And rather than trying to find him on all of his different phone numbers in Buenos Aires and Mexico and Peru and his mobile, his desk, his IP phone, I basically just set up this quick contact for Santiago. I dial that one number, and it rings all of his phones, and as soon as he answers one, all the rest disconnect. So it's a very, very convenient feature for me. I've got it set up for people in my family and people I work with closely as well. Anyway, it's a tool that's available only from Verizon Wireless, and it's available, I believe, on all their phones. And check it out. I highly recommend it.